I'm Christoph from Ford in Dubai.
I'm Mike.
We would like to give you some tips how to drive safely in the desert. Hello again. Now I give you the second tip. You have a car which is capable to go into the desert, so what to do? First, very important, find your group. So never go alone, go at least with one more car, just to make sure if you are in trouble, you have enough help. The second step would be check your car. Is the car ready for your trip? Always start with a full tank of gas. Is the oil okay? Is the coolant okay? Now it comes to equipment. What do we need? We need to have the recovery gears. Bring your compressor. As your car is deflated when you leave the desert, you need to inflate your tire to the pressure you need on the road. Have your shackles, have your shovel, have your straps. Make sure all your equipment is stored in a safe way. It's not flying around in the car. Most important, there's almost a rule, no drive in the desert without the flag. Only then you can be seen on the other side of the crest. Preparation for the car is absolutely mandatory because out there is no mobile coverage very often, so you need to be in a position to help yourself, and you are able to get yourself out of the desert safely because there might be no help in the desert.